To remove the door from the dishwasher, you want to just pull down on this spring and pull it up like that. Next, I'm going to remove the door from the dishwasher. First, I'm going to remove this ground wire. And then just pull the door up off the pins. Should remove fairly easily, but if not, just get a rubber mallet or something and get up on the door and it should come out. Okay, next I'm going to remove the sprayer from the bottom and remove this piece of plastic that transfers water to the top sprayer.